Good morning, guys. Andrew Cannon here from Wetfoot Waterfowl. Just want to start doing a little video series for y'all, hoping that we can start filming some of these hunts a little more, put them up on YouTube, put them up on the Instagram channel, just get our brand out there a little more and show y'all what it's like actually duck hunting out here on the Rio Grande, because a lot of people don't really think that you can hunt the Rio Grande, but it turns out that it's actually some of the best duck hunting, I think, in the country. But anyways, today we're out here hunting one of our spots that we've been hunting pretty hard. Well, I say we've been hunting it hard, but we usually come out here once a week. That way we can let the place reset. The past couple times we come out here, there's been a couple birds, not a whole lot. But the first time we came out here, we shot 2-man limit in about an hour and a half. So it's a hit or miss spot. It's usually pretty good. We've already had probably 300 geese fly over our heads, but sadly we can't shoot geese yet. We'll be able to shoot them next weekend. But anyway, so our spot that we're in right now, usually what we do is we end up shooting mallards and pintails, and then widgeon and teal are the main ones that we end up shooting out here. We do get the occasional mottled duck and then the occasional divers, whether it be scalp or mergansers or anything like that, but we don't shoot at the mergansers. So let's see. So today, it's currently December 11th, and temperature is about 31 degrees, somewhere around there. There's a 3-mile-per-hour wind, and that's been our biggest issue, is making sure that we get some wind out here so that the birds actually want to get up and fly. But anyways, so hopefully we'll get a little bit more wind, and then we'll get some good footage for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Here's Patrick Shanahan.
What's going on, guys? Patrick Shanahan here. It's my third time out here at this hole. We've done pretty well in the past. Hopefully we can do better today. Stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? We're about 5 minutes out from legal shooting light out here. Ducks are starting to quack, and hopefully you can see out there just a little bit now that the sun's starting to show up just a little bit more. You can probably hear all the sand hills in the background. We're actually not in a sandhill county, but man, let me tell you what. There are a lot of sand hills out here. Right now, hearing a lot of mallards, a lot of teal. So we'll see what we can get into. Hopefully, we get some good footage for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. 15.
Yeah. My front. Left.
Yep. Got one.
Yeah, I missed that bitch.
You not hit him?
Huh?
Was that you or me?
That was you.
Okay.
Good shot.
I was just blasting.
Yeah, look to the right. Watch right.
Shit, he's still alive, too.
Watch right. To the right. Hard right.
Big group. Big group. I gotta shoot that duck again. He's gonna go away. Probably gonna have to go away on his own. Three from the left. Please don't shoot me.
See if your gun.
No. They land in the back.
I think so, motherfucker. I think it was a mallard too.
Another group of 5. Swung around.
Fuck. I suck. Hurry up and get back here.
I'm working on it. That's what happens when you let a lot of birds play on the water.
Fuck. This is probably out there. I figured they were.
That was a real one.
What?
Got mallard.
To the right? Straight ahead? There it is.
That was a shoveler.
Yeah.
Good shot.
I forgot you weren't ready.
Huh?
I forgot you weren't ready.
Oh, I wasn't even over here. I was fucking getting more shells.
I could have shot 3 of them.
Yeah. More teal?
Yeah, there was 2 big ducks that flew overhead, but
Huh. God dang it.
Mail.
You got the mail?
Yeah.
Nice.
Made sure of it this time.
didn't like the way it was looking at me.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end the hunt here. We ended up getting 8. We got 7 teal and 1 scalp, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the video and the footage. Let us know what else you'd like to see from us. Alright, y'all take it easy. How's it going, guys? Just finished up our hunt, headed back to the house. It's a pretty successful hunt. A lot of little birds. We didn't get any big birds. We ended up shooting 8 total. We shot 6 teal. All of them were green-winged teal. And then what was it? 4 of them were hens. 2 of them were drakes. So when we post a picture along with this video, you'll get to see. But then we also shot 2 scalp. We shot a drake and a hen for that too. We had a couple mallards working around us all morning, but we just couldn't seem to get them to commit to the decoys. They would fly around us, and as you could probably see in the video, I'm not 100% sure yet because I haven't been able to edit it and all that stuff, but if you see the bigger ducks in the video, they would fly on the edge of like what we could shoot. You know, I don't want to shoot out past 60 yards even with the full choke. Especially, you know, because I like to let them work and see if they'll actually commit to the decoys, and it makes for easier shots and better shots too. So, but so like I said, we ended up getting 8. It's pretty successful. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we're gonna head to the house, and then we'll work on another video next week. Y'all have a good one.